Everyone, this is the last topic of this chapter, soil conservation. And what are the method of soil conservation? Conservation of topsoil is known as soil conservation. Topsoil is very important for plant growth and vegetation, so it is very mandatory for farmers to conserve topsoil. How topsoil can be conserved? There are two methods to conserve topsoil: special techniques and general way. In special techniques, there are some various technology or method through which topsoil can be conserved. In special technology, we can take contour ploughing. Nowadays, you can see in field that the farming is done along contour lines. It means that farming is done in a proper sequence. Why does the farmer do so? Because from that the topsoil can be conserved and the water can be irrigated in a proper way, so that it can be deeper under the crops. The crops can absorb water effectively. Next, strip cropping. Strip cropping means strip of grass is planted between crops. Nowadays, this also you can see in farmland. In this type of technology, between the crops grass is planted, strip of grass is planted. Why? Because grass uprooted the soil and it conserves the topsoil, so that topsoil can be vanished by water. So it is also a very important way to conserve topsoil. Terrace farming. This type of farming is mostly followed in mountainous and hilly areas. In this type of farming is done along the slope. It means that farming is done like a slope, like this, steps by steps. It has twin benefits. What are the benefits of terrace farming? That the water can be conserved. It means that water is sieved at every step. So in minimum water, the maximum irrigation work can be possible. And second benefit is that topsoil can be bound, can be conserved. So this is also very beneficial. Now, shelter belt. Shelter belt means planting of trees along the geographical boundary of farmland. Suppose this is farmland. So what does farmer do? Farmer plant trees along the geographical boundary of farmland. It has also twin benefits. The soil can be conserved. It will not vanished or removed by wind as well as water. And second benefit is that the proper nutrients of soil can be maintained for a long period of time, which result as higher productivity of agriculture yield. So these are the various special technology. Please attention toward this all, because this has been asked many times in exam, that what is contour cropping, what is terrace farming, what is strip cropping. So please remember that. Now, general method you know it very well, because whatever method to prevent land degradation, we can utilize this method to conserve soil also. Means afforestation means planting more and more trees. Adoption of organic farming, because the most important cause of soil erosion is overutilization of modern farming. Mean overdoses of chemical, urea and pesticide fertilizer on the land. So if instead of modern farming, if the farmer adopt the organic farming, so soil can be prevent to erode, as well as the fertility of soil can be increased for a long period of time. Control on mining activities, control on overgrazing, proper management of irrigation. These are the general way. You know it very well. When I told you already that the land degradation, how to prevent land degradation, these are the same method of that how topsoil can be conserved by a general way. So this was the last topic of this chapter. Now in next period, I will teach you chapter 3rd, the making of global world in history. So please be with me. This is also very interesting chapter regarding globalization, its impact. The globalization started with the human civilization and still it is running. So what was the effect of globalization? What was the result? Very interesting chapter it is. Thank you for joining me.